Hello everyone, this is David with WeSpeak Machine. We're here back in China at the CIMTECH factory. We want to show you this automated cutting system. This is an automatic loading and unloading machine. It comes with one spindle with 12 tools and a 9-position drill block. This machine also comes with a labeling system that I can show you. Now from this station, very easily we can control the labeling system by the push of a button. The table now will align the material first. After the alignment, it's going to find the position for all the labels and place them in the correct orientation and position. Now, while the machine is doing the labels, while the CNC is cutting, this table will be preparing the following sheet, uploading it, aligning it, and placing all the labels. So when the previous sheet is done cutting, this sheet is already ready to be loaded and cut again very quickly. The two machines work and together communicating. So now here comes the step where it's going to leave the material ready for the CNC to pick it up whenever the CNC is ready with the cut, which in this case is not cutting anything, so we'll pick it up right away. So now this machine comes in different configurations from 4x8 all the way to 6x12 and the standard sizes, and it can also be built like this model as a special size for a customer, so we can make it any size that you need it available for you. So for whatever more information that you want to have on the machine, give us a call or send us an email and we will help you with more information.